If you need an affordable, highly adjustable key light for your videos, this ePhoto 240 bicolor LED panel packs punchy studio performance into a very budget-friendly footprint. Let's look at sheer brightness. Despite its compact size, this 240 LED array throws a highly concentrated beam. As I dim it up and down, you can see how smoothly it fills in shadows on our subject without any harsh flickering. The dual dial control on the back makes tweaking your look effortless. You can sweep seamlessly from a warm, indoor 3200K amber tone all the way up to a crisp, daylight balanced 5400K white to match your room's natural ambient light. What makes this an incredible buy is its sheer utility. It runs cool to the touch for hours, mounts securely to any standard light stand, and gives indie creators professional exposure control without the massive price tag. For YouTube sets, macro product shots, or interview setups, this light is a massive value. Highly recommended.